Thinking of doing business in Iraq? Its strong resources and key Middle East location offer real potential. Iraq holds the world's fifth largest proven oil reserves and is expanding into construction, telecom, agriculture, and healthcare. Opportunities range from rebuilding infrastructure to supplying digital services, farming solutions, or medical equipment. You'll need a visa. Options include the 30-day ordinary e-visa, the 15-day visit visa, and an urgent option for short-notice travel. You'll need an invitation letter, event or conference proof, a business plan, proof of funds, and company credentials. Culture matters. Relationship building is important, and meetings often start with friendly conversation, except tea or coffee. Communication is formal and respects hierarchy, so use proper titles and let senior figures lead. Negotiations move slowly, so allow time. Plan your stay well. Choose reliable hotels with business facilities and good internet, and stay close to meeting spots. Arrange trusted airport transfers, consider local drivers, and allow extra time for traffic. Keep communication steady with roaming or a local SIM. Stay aware of security, follow local guidance, and keep key contacts ready. With good preparation, you can work confidently in Iraq's growing business space across oil, infrastructure, digital services, farming, and healthcare.